Do you not have money left at the end of the month? Do you not understand where the money comes from and where goes? If yes, so this video can change your life, because today we will talk the budget. What is a budget? The simple answer is budget is a plan in which we decide that how much is our earning, how much is our expenses, and how to save, meaning to control money, not running after money. Now the question is, why is it important to make budget? First, unnecessary expenses decrease. Second, savings increases. Third, does not have to panic in emergency. Fourth, large financial goals are completed. And the most important, stress is reduced due to money. Now take a small example. Suppose there is a boy named Amit. His month income is 30,000 rupees. He spends every day without thinking, sometimes eating from Zomato, sometimes new clothes, sometimes movie tickets. As soon as the month is over, pocket empty. No savings, no plan. But one day he started making the budget. First of your income note, 30,000 rupees. Then the expenses were divided into three parts. 15,000 rupees. Requirements like rent, food, 9,000 rupees. Eating outside your choice, shopping 6,000 rupees. Saving, such as SIP and emergency fund just 1 month later. Amit started feeling less money tension. Why? Because now he knew, where is the money going? Now let's talk. How to make a budget. Step 1, know your total income. Salary, be freelance, whatever it is, all count. Step 2, divide your expenses into 3 parts. First, need, like rent, food, EMI. Second, chaha, like eating outside, shopping. Third, savings like FD, SIP, goals. Step 3, adopt 50-30-20 rule. 50% requirements, wish 30%, 20% savings. Step 4, record your expenses in a diary or app every day. Remember, budget making is not a bond. Rather, it is freedom. First pay yourself, meaning take out the savings first, then spend. If you like this video, so do like it. Tell me in the comment, will you start making budget from today? And yes, to learn finance in such easy language, be sure to subscribe to the channel.